Watu wako na pesa. Yes guys, people have money out here, and even so, those who are super rich are seeing their money continue increasing by the day. And I'm saying so because I just read a given interesting story on Business Daily, whereby the former First Lady of the Republic of Kenya, wife of the founding president Jomo Kenyatta, Mama Ngina Kenyatta, state salary has hit 679,800 shillings per month. Yes guys, the former First Lady of the Republic of Kenya, the wife of Jomo Kenyatta, is and has actually been receiving a good amount of salary monthly for the past good number of years. Think about it guys. She has been receiving a good salary to a tune of almost 700,000 shillings per month, which is good salary by the way. And if you think she is alone, actually this is anchored in the Presidential Retirement Benefits Act, which essentially stipulates that the president and those close to the president actually have a retirement package. And even so, a good number of former vice presidents, for example, Mudi Awori, Kalonzo Musyoka, all these are getting good monthly salaries and allowances because of this act. And of course, I've seen some comment online, why is this so? And yet the Kenyatta family is rich. Of course guys, Kenyatta family is one of the richest in Africa, no question about it. They have crazy investments, for example, in transport, insurance, hotel, farming, media, you name it. But guys, this is anchored in the law. What do you think about this? Do you think the former first ladies in the country need to be getting monthly salaries? Do you think former vice presidents need to be getting monthly salaries? Share your thoughts down below in the comment section. Let's continue discussing there. But the underlying things that guys, watu wako na pesa huku nje, and even so, those with money see their money continue increasing in different proportions. Thanks a lot for watching. Look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye and you all take care.